What's up guys, today we're going to unbox everyone's favorite Morakniv knives and why you should have one too. I think main reason why they're so popular, they're very affordable and very high quality. Check this out, this one companion spark, okay? Nice, I love that, especially there's a open knife. I love that it's easy to open it. So it's really nice plastic belt loop holster over here. At the same time you can, I guess, rope it up, hang it over your neck if you want to, I guess. And you could just press it right here to pull it out. It sits in a quiet stone and it's brand new, but it does have a couple of scratches. But it's not a big deal because it's pretty affordable, not super collectible, it's just ready to work. It is a really thick blade, as you can see, a long one, so you could be even chopping kindling with that, with those big firewood sticks. And to take out the fire starter, wow, nice. For right over here, you just grab it like that and strike it. I'm not gonna do it inside of the house, but it makes sense. It is high quality stuff. I love the locking mechanism over here. You just slide it in. You see it goes all the way there. And close it, that way you can see how much you have left, and the rope will go inside here. So yeah, very awesome knife over here. Let's see what else they have. This one is in a double box, very unique. Fire starter, secondary lock, power cord. Okay, and what's in here? Oh wow, look at that fellow rod, pretty thick, beautiful. And I think this side here, a little holster gonna go like that. Wow, it's really nice and tight. And there's a loop that you're gonna put the power cord through. So the first knife was much bigger, so for like chopping, cutting, cooking. This one is more like for smaller job, maybe even like carving and maybe cooking too, but definitely more so for carving. But yeah, lots of different uses you could be using for, maybe cutting up the fish, hunting. I really love the design. Check this out. This little handle is really comfortable. It feels like right here plastic, but this one is more like a rubber, and it's almost squishy just a little bit. It doesn't feel like it's squishy, but it sits really nice and comfortable, snug in your hand, even with my big hands. So yeah, also I really love the holster. Boom. So I guess this is more like a neck knife, or I guess you can hang it over your belt as well. Beautiful. They do get pretty expensive. By the way, I picked out all of them with the really cool belt clips like that. Let's see what this one is all about. Wow, this one is nice. Look at that blade. Way thicker than the first one. I mean longer, I'd say, but the end over here is skinnier. I love this clip to where it's not gonna fall out. And also you got it here, the belt loop. Then there is another design you probably didn't even know existed. Boom. I'm sure if you are a big fan of this brand, you probably seen it and already have them all. But look at this one, carbon, and this is like a little pry bar knife. So unique. I don't think I even have one before, knife like that. So short and stubby, but really thick blade right here. So you can just jump into something, cut it, whatever. Super unique, I like it. Then there's a floating one. That's perfect for fishing and it's a lightweight. Okay. Love how easy it is to open them. Beautiful. Much skinnier, as you can see, because it's a fishing knife. Obviously you will be cutting some fish. Very sharp, so beautiful and lightweight. This is cork, so obviously going to float, and a plastic handle. That's unique. Belt clip. Oh. Wow. Tight grip. Oh my gosh, this is so light. And pretty well balanced for such a light knife. And if I remember, this one was the most expensive one that Morakniv had on Amazon. Okay, there's options. I got the leather holster. Check this out. Wow. This is a really heavy one, a really thick one. It's a beautiful, pretty much a bushcrafting knife. Oh, check this out. There's some kind of pretty much a cracking tool. So if you need to break through a coconut or break through a nut, there you go. There's like a heating tool. Again, a really hefty knife. This one seems to be the whole handle is plasticky. Maybe a little bit rubbery, but not so much. But grip feels so good on this big heavy knife. And this is where your balance is. Bouncing over here. Not bad. Just a very nice quality knife. Pretty much can do anything in a bushcrafting situation. Love the holster. This one was definitely the most expensive, and I honestly like this one the most. But yeah, they're all super knives for different things, as you can see. I'd say this one is the most versatile. It has a really thick blade, but at the same time not too thick, and you could just chop firewood with it, cut fish, hunting, actually cooking, chop a bunch of kielbasa and veggies. So this one probably the most useful. I will be beating up this one the most. The other one I just like to have.